Today's June 5th, 2022. It is a Sunday, and today it's also day 321 of web development, and I'm just going to do something a little different today. I think I'm gonna do like a small portfolio, um, and I'm gonna do like a different shape. So today I'm thinking of doing a circle, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll start off with my body tags, and then in my body tags I'm gonna have a container. So I'll make a div, give it a class called container. And then in my CSS, I'll go over here and target the container by using a dot and then give it a border, oops, of 5 pixels, black border, and a solid line. And then I'll give it a height of 100 VH, vertical height of the screen, or the viewport height. And then, let's see, I'll go back over here, and in the container, I'll make a div and I'll give it a class called circle. And oops, in the CSS, I'll do circle dot circle and then give it a border. Well, first of all, I'll give it a border of 5 pixels black solid so we can see it. And then to make it a circle, it doesn't have a height. All right, to make it a circle, I'll give it a border radius of 50%. All right, and so as for the height, we'll actually do 50 pixels and then a width, oops, of 50 pixels. Or maybe not, let's play around until we get a size that I want. All right, something like that. And then what I'll do, I want it to be in the center of the container. So I'll give the container a display of flex and I'll justify the content center, and that's going to justify horizontally in the center. And then align items is going to it's going to align it in the center, like vertically, right there. Okay, and then I'm going to give the circle a background, and it's going to be an image of a person, because I want this to be kind of like a profile type of thing, like just a heading. It's just one thing. So I'm gonna do maybe person. And I'll just right click, copy image address, and then just paste that in there. And then I'll do background, position, top, maybe center. It's too small, so let me do background, size, cover. There we go. Okay, and then what I'll do is I will go here in the circle, or in the container, and below it I'll give it like, I'll do another div, and I'll call it maybe info, right? Where info is going to be, and so I want the name of the person. So we'll say Vanessa Rodriguez. And then I'll do like a little paragraph about the person. So Lauren tab. Okay. And then what I'll do is I'll take that info. So I'll do info, give it a border so I can see what I'm playing around with. Right? And then what I'll do is I will give the container a flex direction of column so that things are, in a column, right? Not in a row. And then I will actually set the width of this to maybe be 50% of the container, right? And so, let's see, and then I'll do text align center. Maybe I want the H1 to be, I don't know. Let's see. Yeah. text align center, and I think that's the template that I want. Okay, and so I'm gonna go over here and do linear gradient CSS generator to get a gradient. That's very nice here. I'm gonna use my colors to get like a nice color that I want. Ooh, what? Oh, this is a new one. Make a gradient palette. Wow. But no, that's not what I want. Actually, maybe that is what I want. Actually, no. Um, palette generator. Maybe something like this blue here. So I'll take this blue, put it in there, and then I'll take like a lighter shade, or I guess it's purple, put it in here, and then just scroll down and just copy the CSS, go back to my CSS, and then just give the whole body. So you select the body because it's an element by just, you know, selecting the body without anything for it. Okay, and then let's see, maybe we can have like a very light background for the container. We'll give it a background of this color, right? I'll also give it a border radius of maybe 20 pixels. And then I'll also give it a margin of 50 pixels. And then I'll give it a padding of 20 pixels. Okay, and then I'll remove the border from here. I'll remove the border from the circle and the border from the info box. And then maybe, actually, you know what? Maybe I should keep the border for the circle. Should I? Should I not? Maybe something like that instead of purple. There we go. And then what can I do? I can do like for the container, when I hover over the container, I would like it to be relative to the container and go from the top -2 pixels. There we go. So 20 pixels, -20 pixels will look something like that. So when you hover over it, it's going to move very drastically, but I want a slight movement. So I'll move it to -2. So it's slight. And then let me save this. Let me go to Google Fonts and try to get a nice font. What did I say her name was? Vanessa Rodriguez. Hmm. Alright, and then, you know what, actually, I always like this one. This font I always go with. So let me just, where was I? Okay, view selected family. So I'll go to the link and copy this, and I'll go back to my HTML. And so this is actually supposed to go in the head tag, which I didn't make. the link right there. Whoops. So put that, paste that in there, and then the import, or actually this right here, just goes into the CSS. And actually I'll do maybe everything can be that font family. Actually, I don't know. I feel like this could be a little bit better. What I'll do is I'll do info h1 and give it a font size of 20 well, no, 40 pixels there. And then maybe line, no character. How do you call spacing? Font space. How to get space between letter spacing. 2 pixels. Not 2 well, okay, fine. And then what's one that goes nice with this one? They should have like one that goes nice, or like goes along with this. Okay, I don't like this. I need something that goes nice with that. Maybe Roboto, how do you even say it? So I'll do dot info p and give it a font family of what, Roboto? Do I like it? Do I like it? Do I not like it? I don't know. I don't know, I don't like it. What about Poppins? That's not one. Okay, let me fix this one. Go back here, replace this, and then I just need this one right here. What the heck happened? What in the world? What did I do? Oh my god, that was scary. Are you serious? Oh, it's because he became larger. So yeah, we don't want that. So give me 1 second. Let's do a font size of 15 pixels. Yep. All right, I guess. And then maybe we can make the container have a little less padding. So let's do 15. No, okay, let's leave it at 20 and then margin maybe 40. Why is it like that? Padding 50? Really? Interesting. So then what am I gonna do with the circle? Go to 60%? What did I do wrong? Anyway, whatever. Alright, that's it for today. Let me go to debug mode and see how it looks like. It's whatever, man. Okay. Anyway, bye.